I'll show you how you can make a guild in Discord. Now, if you have received the invitation, you can go to the server settings here, and then you can tap on server settings here. So go to server settings. After that, you can go ahead and go to the guild option. Now, on the guild option, you'll see these options here. So you can start making the guild. Now, once that's done, if you have no invitation, then unfortunately you can't make the guild yet. But if you're looking to join the guild and get the patches, I'm going to show you how to do that. You can join this server right here. I'm showing on the screen right now. You can join the server by clicking on the link down below or on the pinned comment down below. And then you can go ahead and go to tags or guilds here, and you can join on whichever guild here you want. You can tap on any one of these guilds and you can get any one of these banners here, right? So for example, I already have a guild here, Paragraph here, right? And if I already have in a guild, I can go to my server settings here, user settings, and then I can go to profiles. And then on profiles, I can scroll down and then I can tap on server tag here. On server tag, I can select what kind of guild I want. So for example, I want Paragraph here. I'm going to tap on save changes. Now, once that's done, you can see I now have the tag on my username right here.